Treat women. If y'all only knew how busy I truly was, or how hard it is for me to put things into perspective for people now, because I simply don't have the time, you wouldn't even question why it takes me so long to put content out. I wasn't even gonna do a voiceover on this at first, but I'm like, let me just talk to them and let them know that life be life, and I'm juggling so many different things and I still show up polished every single time. And this is my favorite chef of all time. He takes care of me. He takes care of my people. But anywho, y'all, I'm juggling my business, health, work, me time, family, bills. And I know everybody else is too, but a lot of things just comes and goes so fast that you don't even really get to enjoy it. So these are just a couple of things coming into the month of April. I had a self-care day, and April was just full of abundance. It was full of joy. It was full of blessings, full of adventures. And this is everything my greedy self didn't try down here at this Dallas Food Fair. Mind you, it was probably a few other things, but business still has to get handled. Jaya's hair actually came out so cute. Behind the scene moments that y'all didn't get to see was her recital 3 days after this, where her hair was a mess, okay? But we don't even talk about it. It's things that y'all don't see, and I'm gonna try to get more footage. But help your girl, because I need another second phone, and we gon' get the content rolling so that y'all can really see behind the scenes of all these things. Pedicure date with moms before Mother's Day. I'm gonna also try this line out on her hair as well. So far, we're on a 30-day tryout for me, so stay tuned for that. This is all my shop babes. It's good for us to get away from the shop as well. We be tired. I'm literally moving off the strength of God himself. Stay tuned for episode 4, where you actually just hear me in real time. Just a boss babe handling work, life, and business, baby.